Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to change your ChatGPT email address. In 2026, OpenAI has finally made this process a bit more flexible, but there are still some major gotchas depending on how you first signed up. So let's get right into it. First, you need to check your account type and login method. If you signed up using a social login like Google, Apple, or Microsoft, you generally cannot change your email address within the ChatGPT settings. Your account is permanently tied to that third-party identity. In this case, your only real option is to create a brand new account with your new email, and then use the Export Data tool in your settings to save your old conversations before you move over. Next, for those who signed up with a standard email and password, you can now update it directly in the interface. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Settings. Navigate to the Account section, and if your account is eligible, you'll see a small pencil or edit icon next to your current email address. Click that, enter your new email, and provide your current password to verify that it's really you. Then you must complete the verification to make the change stick. OpenAI will send a confirmation link to your new email address. You have to open that email and click the link within a certain time frame, usually 24 hours, to authorize the switch. Once you do that, you'll be automatically logged out of all your devices. You'll then need to log back in using the new email and your existing password. Finally, keep in mind how this affects your subscriptions. If you're a ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscriber, your billing profile will automatically update to the new email once the change is confirmed. However, if you're a team or enterprise plan, you can't change your own email. You'll need to ask your workspace administrator to invite your new email and remove the old one from the admin console. And that is it. Your account is now officially linked to your new inbox. If this guide helped you update your profile today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech and AI tutorials. See you in the next one.